Have a good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Elnora Villanueva from Philippines. I am 29 years old. I am a single parent of two kids, ages 5 and 6 years old. My educational attainment is I am a high school graduate. My working experience is I work as a domestic helper in Bahrain for 2 years. They are 8 in the family. My duties there is um, cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, and washing. To my chosen employer, please hire me because I am a dedicated woman to my work. I am loyal and hardworking. I can learn new things there in Hong Kong. I will follow your rules and regulations in the house. I hope you choose me. Thank you so much.